Ngiyanibingelela babukeli, igama lami nguSibongile Mthabe, nisuka kwaSibokhali Foods eIlovo Amanzimtoti. Mina nginguSibongile nje, bengikade ngisebenza ngiqashiwe, ngaze ngangagculiseki ukuthi ngisebenza ngakhona, ngabona ukuthi nayi into engenezisayo ukusebenza, ngizisebenze. Ngaqala ngebe project ezohlukile, zaze nazo zangaphumeleli, kodwa one day ngafumana i-idea yokuthi amadumba ayakwazi ukwenza ama-chips, ayakwazi ukwakha uflour, ubhatata uyakwazi ukwenza ama-chips, uyakwazi ukwakha uflour. Sangena khona saqala, sa-testa i-market, sahamba sodayisa kwi-fair, Durban Fair. Safika ngampela, wow, abantu zabahlala within an hour, 20 packets were done. Zamadumba chips. Kulapho ke ngapho ukuthi there's a market for this product. Mase siqalile ukwenza ama chips, sasingenawo omishini yokukhiqiza ama chips. Sabona i-advert eyayibhaliwe ngeso sikhathi kuma socials, economic development, Operation Vula. Saze ke safaka nathi kwizinto zashiwo, safaka i-application. Mase sifake i-application, wow, at our surprise, department yasinika equipment nendawo yosebenzela ngoba besiqashe indawo kamasipala evulekile. Singenawo ama equipment, also singenayo indawo zosebenzela ama container. So i-department yasiqala ngokusongezelela sine container yodwa njengamanje ngoba i-department yasilekelela. Saba nemishini, saba nama container u5 kule nene office school today. Our target market is people who are health conscious, who are vegans, Rastafarians, and people who have a certain lifestyle of eating low glycemic index food or low carb food, because sisebenza konke to make sure ukuthi you eat your yummy products but with a good production. Abantu uqala kwabubona amadumbe chips bamangala ukuthi idumbe liyakwazi ukwakha chips. Kanti ngempela mabese taste bathi nimnandi, bawathanda, bawabuza, sade basibiza ngokuthi nathi singamadumbe ladies. Okokuqala sathi sesiqalele le business, uDepartment of Agriculture wasihambela. Saze ke lapho sakhethwa ukuthi singenele iFIA ngeso sikhathi ngo2019, yayung Female Business Awards. Zaka Department of Agriculture wasinika ke i-first runner up, sabe ke siwina kanjalo lelo award. Ama challenges esibhekana nawo kule ndawo lapho sisebenzela khona, sometimes uyafumana ugqekezelwa endaweni sisebenza, sometimes ufumana ukuthi kukho into ekhathiwe ethathiwe like ibisendaweni uyishiyile, akulula usebenzele emalokishi ngoba into ezenzeka eziningi, uthi usubheka phambili babuyisele emuva. Lena i-dehydrator lapho somisa khona ubhatata wethu, amadumbe wethu, somiswa la ku-dehydrator donsa bese siwafaka ngokwama layers. Ukuthi abantu bayithanda iproduct yethu, mabengasabayiboni bayayibuza ukuthi kephi, because we sell directly to the clients, online and physical. And also we have some stores like Manoli's Munches Home Baked and other stores that are around KZN and in Cape Town. So when people do not see our products, they want more and more. They can't stay without because they have found alternative snacking and also alternative flours. So the passion is burning within inside. I can't let it go. Mase siphelele la kwaSibokhali Foods siba u9 ngoba sinaso nesitolo esikhona ngalapha eIlovo Nursery. So sina umsebenzi okhona ngakhona, so isenze sibe ba u9 sesiphelele. Angithi uNkulunkulu uyayibeka into enhliziyweni yomuntu. I-idea yokukhiqiza okunje nokuningi is about passion, nokwenza izinto ezingazonakalisa imizimba yengane, nokuthi ingane eziningi ozukuza ukuthi ziyagula zino diabetic kodwa zina 8 when you evaluate uchecka kahle ufumanisa ukuthi kukudla. So kubalekile ukuthi sidle izinto ezingasenakalisa imizimba ezenza sithi izithako zomzimba ziwakhe kahle umzimba. Koko ke sisebenzisa indigenous root that zingazuchaphazeleka or zingazuba ne problem to grow at Durban because the cassava grows naturally, sweet potato grows naturally, amadumbe grows naturally. Zonke lezo nto izugrower zingakhange zikhuthazwe and low in glycemic index. Mawusozuziprocessa kahle loo nto izawukwenza ukuthi sijwayele ukuthi kwakude kudala fanele sidla osogam amadumbe nani ezawusenza imizimba yethu ibe within the way God created us. Milling machine yethu masayaphuma ku-dehydrator bese siwafaka ku-milling machine iphumise impuphu la. Okuncane sinako la effect just to keep the seeds. In future we'll have our own farm, but we will not ever stop buying from the smallholder farmers. Our people need to be part of our value chain. This is creating a sustainable business because all the people that we buy from, they keep on planting, expanding, and they increase livelihood in their own homes and their own communities. So we go around and collect amadumbe as far as from Potchefstroom even up to Ulundi, fetching amadumbe from people. So those people create their own employment. So through our value chain, we meet and make people to have more money in their pocket. So it's about your appetite. The more you have, the more money you get. So creating employment is our passion. Making things work is our passion. We become a market to them and process good food that will keep our people in good health, while we also create a platform of selling online and also selling in our stores. And in future, maybe exports. Ama future plans ukuthi sakhe indawo yokusebenzela enkulu lapho sizawenza umkhiqizo wa flour from indigenous roots, umkhiqizo wama crisps, vegetable oils, and also starches. So we need a bigger place so that we'll be able to export our products. Or ama social media wethu, you get us Sibokali Foods on Facebook, Sibokali on Instagram. Soon we are starting TikTok. We will show our recipes, how to use our flours, how to make nachos with no mputu.